Welcome to Entity School. I'm Laura, and I'm here to help with Lesson 1, Defining Entity Resolution. What is an entity? In data, records often contain information about real-life people, places, organizations, as well as things like servers or vessels. These are all examples of entities. Entities can be any noun you care about that have information in one or more records in your data sources. What is resolution? The act or process of resolving, such as analyzing a complex notion to simpler ones, the act of answering, as in solving, the act of determining. You have data. A massive amount of data. Across a significant number of sources. There can be millions, if not billions, of observations of entities within and across all data sources. Some of these entities are described differently but are the same, while others are described similarly but are actually different. Entity resolution is recognizing when two observations relate to the same entity despite having been described differently. Conversely, it also means recognizing when two observations do not relate to the same entity, despite having been described similarly. Good work! You're on your way to entity mastery.